Hello everyone, welcome attend to SLE Exhibition 2021. This is Jack Ma from Shenzhen Lamp. Now we are at introduce our Vice General Manager, Mr. Lawrence Liu.
The customers and the partners of Unilumin Group all over the world, I am Lawrence, taking the responsibility of international sales of lamp brand in Unilumin. Lamp takes this opportunity to show our products in the Ground ISLE exhibition. We all know Lamp is a subsidiary brand of Unilumin. Before, we are independently operated, and now we are independently brand and now we are merging. We are combining our sales team into one. During these years, Lamp has been household name. At present, our LED display industry is facing the adverse situation of raw materials shortage, supply chain price rising. Lamp, relying on the great support of the group, in this exhibition, we will release a number of products promotion and provide great amount of off-the-shelf stock to help our partners grow. Let us go hand in hand to create brilliant. I wish you all prosperous business. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all of you. Okay, now let's start our online living show. So please stay with us. We have more discount and a gift for you. Okay, let's start.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, thanks a lot to our big boss for the big introduction about the ISLE 2021. I'm Kofi.
Hello, everyone. This is Ellen from LampTap. Nice to see you in ISLE exhibition.
All right, so today we're going to give you a brief introduction about our three models. Probably I'll be the first one to introduce, then later Elaine will give you more introduction about our product. So let's start.
Yes. Okay, this is copy show time. Now give the copy to introduce for you.
Thank you, Elaine. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about RN series. We're going to talk about RN series. So you can see the beauty here. There's the RN series. The first thing that maybe is very, very important is the thickness. So let's talk about thickness. When we talk about rental screen, everybody cares about the weight, whether it's light in weight, whether it's heavy. That's what mainly the workers care about. So you can see how light in weight it is. Only one hand. Yeah, only one hand. It's very, very light in weight. So see the thickness here. There's the RN series. The thickness is so slim. The thickness is very, very slim. Only 66 millimeters. Only 66 millimeters. So you can see from the point of view here, that's the thickness of our screen. You can see how slim it is. So in terms of rental, we care a lot about the thickness. We care a lot about the weight. We care a lot about all those things. That's why this kind of model, we design it mainly for this. You can also use it for XR. Yeah, we use it for XR. We use it for the movie industry and all those stuff. So you can see the beauty of the RS series. So now let's move straight to the curve lock. Yeah. Here we have many types. Whether you want to do curve, you want to do 90 degrees, what do you want to do? They can all be done. But this one is the straight. It's a straight cabinet. This one is a straight cabinet, as you can see from here. So if you want curve, we will make it curve for you. If you want the 90 degrees, then we will make it 90 degrees as well. So it has many varieties of this kind of cabinet. Yeah, thank you. I hope you can understand a lot about this kind of beauty, magnificent screen. Now we move on to the modules. We move on to the modules. Here, they are all modular design. When we talk about modular design, that means it's easy to remove. All the power box is 4-in-1, so you can just remove it easily. You can see how our engineer is going to remove it with only one hand. You can see, yeah, it's only one hand. So we talk about modular design. They are all here. The receiving card, the power, so everything is here, and the power supply, they are all here. And you see how it is, just very slim and light in weight. This power box really light in weight. Yeah, the engineers, they took their time to design this kind of cabinet for rental. So it's top one for rental. We can recommend this screen for you. All right, so we move, you can put it back. The engineer will put it back and you see how easy it is. Yeah, you see how easy it is. Yeah, a few minutes, then you can do it. All right, then let's move to the next segment. We talk about the modular design, then we talk about front access. Front access is very, very important. You just push it, or you can use the magnet, the tool. You know, yeah, the engineer will show you how to use the tool to remove all the modules. It's very, very easy to work with. Now let's have a try. If you want to remove the module, you just push the pressure on the machine. Yeah, it's just easy as that. Yeah, and they are all very light in weight. So in terms of the models, we have two types. Whether you want this easy lock, you know, the easy handle, or you want the slip one. The slip one, it can just bend like this so that you can easily hold it. So it depends on what you really want. Then you can use the models, you know, very, very light in weight. It's really light in weight. You can see how it is. The whole screen, the whole cabinet is 7.5. 7.5. All the weight is 7.5. So the engineer will put it back and you'll see how easy it is. Yeah. You see how easy it is. So we talk about the front maintenance. Then we're also going to mention about the T-shape. The T-shape is a unique design. You see here, we have the red dot here. You just click and the T-shape will just come up. It just pop up. Yeah, it's really a unique design. And most engineers or most workers, they highly recommend this. The T-shape, when you remove it like this, and there is maybe a second cabinet, it will hook. It will hook the cabinet. Then you can just leave it like that without locking it. Yeah, it's really easy to work with. So it will hook it. Yeah, the T-shape will hook it, and it's just easy to work with. Yeah, that's all about the T-shape. Now we're going to mention about the locks, about the model locks here. You see. So every model have its locks. Every model have its locks. You see? Yeah, you can show them about how it is. So what is this? It's the safety. In terms maybe you are having a big show and there's a big wind, because this one we have the outdoor as well. So in terms the wind blow it, what is going to happen? These are the locks to hold the models firmly so that nothing will happen. Yeah. So it will hold it very firmly. Aside that, we also have this kind of hook. Yeah, we have the safety hook. The safety hook can also be holded, yeah, anywhere you want it. So there's the safety hook. So we have many kind of safety on our screens. You can see how it is. Really beautiful model. Now let's move on to here. The corner protection. corner protection is very, very important for every screen so that it will protect the LED at the edges. All the edges have to be protected. You can see how the engineer is doing it. You put it on, you see how firm it is? Yeah, it's really strong. It's not going to do anything. Very, very strong. Yeah, it's really, really strong and firmly. So, show them more. That's very, very beautiful. So for the corner protection, it's also colorful. It depends on what you want. Maybe you want black color, you want a red color, you want purple, anything. We can customize it for you, and you can see the beauty of it. You can see the beauty of it. Yeah, you can see the beauty of it. Okay, so we move on to the next segment. We talk about also the multi-shape. What is multi-shape? Maybe you want 90 degrees, or you want a curve, or you want a straight screen. So the multi-purposes, it depends on your project. Maybe you want, it depends on your project. We can do all for you. So this screen can serve as a 90-degree screen, and it can also serve as a curved screen, and it can also serve as a straight screen. So that's the three things you need to encounter for. There's the major three things you need to know about this beautiful RN series. Okay, so I think I've mentioned a lot of things about the RN series. All the locks here, you see, very, very easy and smoothly. Very, very easy and smoothly. And there's also one beautiful thing you need to know. The RN series got a beautiful award from IF. So we got a beautiful award from IF. There's a satisfied certificate and award we got from IF. This series is light in weight, easy to work with, and the four corners, everything is perfect. It's just really good. So in terms, we have a lot of stock, about 280 stock. You can see below there. If you need any fast delivery, we can also help you with that. It's not a big deal on that. So now we are going to watch the 3D video. We are going to watch the 3D video for you to get more understanding. In case we miss something here, the 3D video will give you a clear picture on the RN series. So thank you so much. Let's watch the 3D video. Hello, welcome back. Okay, I think the 3D video gave you a clear understanding of the RN series. So this series, we're going to show you the real screen. The real screen is outside there. We have Jack Mao, Jack there, who is going to give you a clear understanding about the video, or maybe the backside, or maybe a big screen, how it looks like. I think that one you can get a bigger picture of the RN series. Thank you so much. So I give it to Jack Ma. Jack, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Coffee. Thank you, welcome back. We can see now we are on the Shenzhen Lamp exhibition booth. You can see so many different products, so many series, and creative and normally. At first, after my colleague introduced about the iron series that we see here, and we can see iron series is indoor for rental, and this one have high contrast and very good, very beautiful, colorful, and this one we got in this year we got the IF award. So let me come back. We can see this very under this screen. The size is 5 meter by 3 meter. We can see the back. It's a very beautiful designing, and for the different details, I think my colleague already introduced for you. Okay, it's very good designing and very good products, and also this can use for rental events, also for XR movie making. Okay, thank you. We come back. 切回去。
Hello, everyone. So welcome back. Very big thanks to Jack for the explanation for the RN series. So now we are going to move on to the next segment. It's also rental. It's our RCX, and I will invite Elaine to give you a brief introduction about RCX. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Coffee.
You're welcome.
Hello everyone, this is Ellen. Yeah, it's my short time to introduce another our rental products, RCX. Just now, Coffee introduced the RN series. As you know, the RN series is our new products for this years, and it's for the broadcasting and SR. The pixel pins it can use for 1.8. 2.3, 2.6, 2.9. So now we also want to design the 1.5. So it can use for the SR for some very small or 5 pixel pinch screens. And now, and some friends will ask if I don't want to use so small pixel pinch rental displays because now maybe it's not so popular, but it's a chance for in the futures. So they want to buy the normal screens. So the friend asked, Ellen can introduce some normal rental products for us. Yes. Today, I will introduce RCX series for you. That is our best sellers. Yes, and these products, we sell almost 10,000 square meters last year. So it's very good products. Okay, let's go to learn it. You can see this one is our RCX, the back of this. It looks very simple like this. This one, RCX can use for indoor and outdoor. One series can use for indoor and outdoor. And for indoor, the pixel pins can use for 2.9, 3.9, 4.8. And outdoor is for 3.9, 4.8, and 5.9. So you can choose the pixel pinch what you want. And you can see this one, it can be locked. This is a curl lock. You can adjust this angle. The angle is for the minus 10 degrees and plus 10 degrees. Every degree is 2.5. You can see here. Here is degree. You can adjust it, the angle what you want, and then lock it. Yes, lock it. It will be okay. Here, 2 lock. And this one is our power box. It's independent power box. You just adjust this switch so can easy to take it off. Yes, you can see this power box. This is connecting. This connecting not like the normal product is used wireless. So it connect to the module here. So it's very easy. If you use the cables, maybe you will have some cable accidents. So it's not good for your use in the events. And you can see here. Here is for the signal and power. It can waterproof. Waterproof is like this. Waterproof is on the bottom. And this is for the text bottom. And here have the nameplate. You can, if you want to use your logo, you can customize your logo here. You see, it's very easy to assemble. And this one is for the modular design. The module can be taken from the front and back. So let's operation this. The module can take from the front, and it also can from here, from the front to the back. Yes. And here is the wireless connector. Wireless connector here. Here have the magnet. So it can use the front tube for the front maintenance. And you can see here have the safety lock. Every our product we will consider the safety. It can connect to the module. So as you know, when you have the event, when hanging or outdoor, have the wind or very high in very high place. Maybe if you don't have this one, maybe sometime we will have the accident. If have the accident, it will be very dangerous. So here this safety loss, it can avoid these accidents and help you to make the events perfect. And you can see here we also have the corner protector to protect the lamp. And this one is for the handle. Our cabinet have the 400 by 400 and have the 400 by 1000. So this one is the small one. So he have the only have the one handle. But it for the biggie 100 by 500 by 1000, it have two, here and here. So for you, it's too easy to handle and carry. And please see, this is the lock for the up and down cabinet. This is for the left and right lock. Just put it and then locks. It's very fast and easy to handle. And here, you will see, here have some step. Yes, you will see here have some step. These steps is for the anti-damage design. And it is easy for the up and down cabinet, the position. These products, we can for the curve and also can for the street. And another function, this one, you can see it's strong. It can use for the dance floors. And later, our colleague, Mr. Jack, will introduce and show you outside for the dance floors. So you will see, you just buy one screen, you will realize more functions. When you want to use it for the dance floor, just put the acrylic mark on the surface, and then it can be dance floors. It can help you to save more costs in the event. Okay, now let's see the videos and to understand more about the details. Okay, video. Okay, thank you, my colleague Jack Ma, to introduce like this. And for the RCX series, now we also have the stock for 2,060 square meters in our factory. We already make it, and it can realize 7 days. So if you have any order for urgent, please contact us. We have the indoor and outdoor both. So you just contact ourselves or send the emails to us. We will give the response for you as soon as possible. And for this exhibition time, as you know, every exhibition time, we will have the discount or coupons. Now, today is also, yes. Today, after we finish the 3 product introduced, we will have the coupons for our customers. You just create our software, and then here have the coupons. You can got the coupons, and when you got the coupon tickets, you can use in the order. When you pre-order, you can use you can reduce the monies. But the coupon is different, how to say, like the lucky dogs. You have different monies. So hope you can got the biggest coupons. Okay, thank you. Now let's Coffee to introduce the next products. Coffee.
Thank you so much, Ellen.
Now we come back. After my colleague introduced about the RC 3.9X, so we see the real products is for rental. And now the sample The Zoom tool is for floor. It's for dancing floor. As you see, our models is here. It's dancing. Okay. This one is designing is very high, strong and strong products. Even is for auto show or for dancing floor, for events, for all of your idea. So, if you're interested, contact us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's welcome Coffee to introduce the next products for you. Coffee.
Thank you so much, Elaine. Thank you so much, Elaine. We move to the next segment. That's RS Plus. RS Plus. Last time we mentioned about the RN. Now we also finished with the RX. And now we're moving on to the RS Plus. This series is a kind of actually special for me because I've sold a lot of about this kind of special RNS Plus screen. It's unique, and in terms of the sending card, no, in terms of the receiving card, it can complex with a lot of maybe Nova, megapixel, Brompton, color light. So all those things we have cooperate with them. So RNS Plus is a kind of special model for me. We have sold a lot for the XL. Yeah, we did a lot of projects concerning XL. So that one, we have confidence on that. Yeah. Okay, now let's go to the showtime. This series, RNS Plus, they are all modular design. Modular design. In terms of modular design, that means you can remove or rentals like that. You can remove this sending box, the power box. You can remove the power box very easily. It's so easy to remove. You just see here, that's how it looks like. And this box, why it looks like this, inside, it's a kind of the everything inside the how to put it. The power supply is also special. We use energy saving. Yeah, we use energy saving power supply. So inside it also we have a vacuum or something like that that can also help with the heat dispersion. So it's really unique design how we make these things. And all here there are pins. You know, these pins inside you can see it's a kind of gold. Yeah, we have the gold pins. Yeah, so there's nothing called rusting and it's fixed very perfectly. So this is how the RS Plus looks like. Actually, here we can also change it to white so that it can be very easy to look. Maybe the signal and all those things. Here is the button. There's the test button. You can see the test button here. You press it, then you can see it can light on, maybe red, green, yellow, for you to see how the test button looks like. Okay, so we put it back. It's very, very easy to work with. Very, very easy to work with. RNS Plus is mainly designed for what? For XL. Not only XL, for rental, mainly for rental, maybe indoor and outdoor. Later I'm going to mention about the indoor and outdoor. We also have the outdoor. Yeah, we have outdoor for RNS Plus. Okay, so let's talk about the modules. You see how flat it is. The kind of the lines, you cannot find any lines here. They make it very compressive, very, very tight. So that's the main thing. So in case we are doing XL, the camera needs to come very close to the screen. So we don't need to find any kind of lines between the modules. It's very, very important. So for RNS Plus, the engineers check everything very perfectly. Okay, so you can remove one model for them to see how easy it is. That's how it is, you see. I mentioned about the gold. All our pins, we use the gold one. We use the gold one. Yeah, it's very, very important for us. And it sticks to the quality and also the complacement. That's how the model looks like. Very light in weight. That's the RNS Plus, very, very light in weight. Okay, so we put it back. Yeah. Okay, let me talk about the magnet. You see that we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 magnets here. These magnets are strongly magnet. It's very, very strongly. You know, maybe some companies, maybe they have about 8 or 10. No. These ones are really firmly. It holds the model stickly. There is no way it will fall down. There's no way. And for the model, you can see these pins here. We have 4 pins. These are called allocation pins. These are called allocation pins. So it helps you to put the models just right into the cabinet. So these 4 allocation pins will just help you. You see here, yeah. The moment you put it, the 4 allocation pins will just connect to it, and the magnetic will also help. Then it will just stick inside it. You see how perfectly it is? Yeah. Now we move on to the corner protection. Corner protections are very important to us. Here we have a magnet, and inside too we have a magnet. So the moment you bring it here, it just stick to it. There's no way it's going to fall down, and it's very strong. You see? Yeah. This is really tough cabinet. This is really tough cabinet. You can mark on that. Very, very, very tough. So for the corner protection, you can also change the color if you want. Actually, what we sold most, maybe the customer will change it to orange or red. Yeah, we can customize it for you for any color that you want. The next segment, we move on to the curve lock. The curve locks are kind of unique. You see how it is? You just turn it like you are maybe turning on the microwave, you know? So the curve lock, yeah, that's how it looks like. You open, yeah, then you just be turning it on, just like that. So we have, you can see from here, there's 0 degrees. So we have the 0, then we have the +5 degree, and we also have the minus 25 degree, and we also have the -5 degree. So it depends on what kind of curve you want to make. Yeah, it can make up to 5 degree, -5. We have -2.5, and we also have +2.5. And you can also make a 0. So the 0 is just flat if you want to make it that way. And another point of view, we can also make a 90 degrees. So if you want to make a 90 degrees, we just have to take this one off, and we have the straight one. It will just merge into the 90 degrees as what you want. It's just a perfect screen for XR, rental, and anything you can mention of. We have 2.6, we have 1.9, and we also have P2 as well. Yeah. In terms of the outdoor, I'm going to mention the outdoor later. I'll mention it because we also have outdoor for it. So see how it is. If it's outdoor, I'll mention outdoor. If it's outdoor, we use this to protect. So to protect the power in, the power out. We have power in, power out. So the outdoor, we need something like this. Yeah. To fix here, then it will protect it in terms of it's raining or something like that. And when you are doing stacking system, this is for stacking system. So we have the hook. It will just go inside here, then lock it in terms of the stacking system. And let's show them this one here. If you are doing the stacking system, you see this one, you're doing the installation. These 2 pins here, what is that made for? Yeah, so the 2 pins here is it will just do the locking. Very, very easy for the locking. And all this one here, it just help you when you put the next cabinet. It will just fit in directly. You can see here. So the net cabinet is also similar like that. So the moment you put it, it will fit in directly. You see these holes? You see the 4 holes? Location. Yeah, that's the location. So you show them another here. Yeah. So the next cabinet will have these 4 pins. So it will just stick into it directly. It will stick into it directly without any problem. Yeah. I think you have a better clear view on the RNS Plus. RNS Plus. We have a safety hook. You see the safety hook? Yeah. So the safety hook, what does it do? It also helps in terms where you are removing the models. And since this model, we have the outdoor. So the outdoor is very, very necessity to use the safety hook in terms of maybe there is a wind blowing, in case there's a heavy wind blowing. Anyway, we believe in the magnet. The magnets are very powerful. There's no way it's going to remove, but safety first. So you need the safety hook to help you to make everything firmly. Now let's talk about another safety here. This side, you see, when you are doing the locking, you just, the moment you put another cabinet here, you use this side. You just click it. So the moment you click it, it will lock. It will automatically lock. Yeah, it will lock it. Then you do the rest of the locking. So it's really easy to handle for rental. Very, very easy to handle for rental. Okay, so this RNS Plus. For VR, if you want to do VR, it's perfect for you. If you want to do XR, we have a lot of projects on that. So in case maybe most customers, they want to see our projects, they want to see what really we've done with this kind of beautiful series, you can just contact us. We have a lot of stock, about 2,300 stocks, square meters in stock. So we can also talk about that. And in terms of the handle, this handle, you can change it. We have a series of customers, maybe they want red handle. So you can also change the color of the handle. You can change the color of the corner protection. Anything you want to do, we can just customize this for you. We are a production company, so we can customize any form of screen you want for you. Okay, so now let's go and watch the 3D. We have a 3D video. Maybe I mixed something here, or you want to know something for yourself. So we're going to watch the 3D video, and it will give you a clear understanding of RNS Plus. Thank you so much. So let's go to watch the 3D video. Hello everyone, so welcome back. Elaine have joined me here,
Yeah.
and probably we're going to talk about the coupon. But first of all, I hope the RNS Plus, you get a clear view about it. This screen is kind of, we have more confidence in it. We have done a lot of projects worldwide. Yeah, we've sold a lot in terms of, we have also cooperated a lot with many maybe Megapixel, Brompton, Color Light, Noah. They all have tested this screen, and we are strongly believing the RNX or the RNS Plus. So if you have any questions, any inquiry, just let us know on this particular series. So let's move straight to the coupon.
Yeah, coupon. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, our sales will send a QR code or some link for the link for use. You just click the link and enter into the broadcast room like this.
Let me. Okay. Where is it?
Here have the, if you have some command, you can click the first one for the command. You have some problem or any other things, you can click here, and right here, our team will reply for you. And the second one is for our company introduction. You can see and know our Lam Tech Stevens. Here you have the introduction. Another is for the stock. You can see now we have many stock. Like the rental, we have 800 square meters. Yes. And indoor and outdoor here, right, also here. Every series here also have the stock. You can see this one is for the RN Plus 2,300 square meters. It's very fast delivery times. This one is just now coffee introduced for the RN series. Got the IF International Award. And this is the important things, coupon. Please see here. Coupon. Now, we have the coupon for 200, 300, 500, 800 USD, not RMB. Yeah.
But that's big money. It's
Yeah.
really big money, you know. So try. You just click the coupon and you're going to get a free money. Yeah.
Yeah.
This money you can use it for any order. When you place an order, then we subtract from it. So it's kind of a big bonus. Yeah. So you just click the coupon, and we're going to tell you which customer won. When you want it, they're gonna write your name, and anytime you place an order, maybe not now, maybe tomorrow or next week or something like that, we will help you to deduct this money from your main order. So let's see who wins, and later on we're gonna answer some questions. Coupon. So how to know who wins? Okay. All right. So later on, we're going to mention which customer won or something like that. We are going to move on straight to question and answers. We have a lot of questions and answers.
Yes. Yes. Some friends, some of our customers, they ask some questions.
Yeah.
Yes.
You answer a few of them, and let me also.
Yes. They say for the RN series, just now you introduced the first one.
Yeah.
Yes, they say what is the smaller pixel pinch you have now?
For the RS, right?
RN,
Oh,
the first
RN.
one. Yes.
Okay. For the RN, we have 1.9. Yeah, we have 1.9. That's the smallest we have right now. But if you want really small pixel, that's not a problem. We have a 0.9, but it's going to be different series. It's going to be different series. So for the RN, we have 1.9 for the smallest so far.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I heard that maybe about June or July like this, they will have the 1.5 Yeah, developed 1.5.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's nice. That's
yeah,
nice.
it's smaller, so can use for some XR or broadcast rooms. Yes.
So 1.5. If you have any inquiry, let us know about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And another that is that for the RCX, just now I introduced, the friends say, do you have any certifications? Yes. Now for RCX, now our target is for the Asian markets. So now we don't do the certifications and we will sell to the Asian market first. But now, maybe in the June or July like this, we will finish the UL, FCC, CE like this. So it can sell to Europe, sell to USA and any other countries. So please don't worry, you don't have the certification because we are the top 10 LED display companies in China. We have the strengths to have the certification. So please don't worry that.
Yeah, talking of certification, I will also mention about the RN and also for the RNS Plus. That one, they have a lot of certificates. Yeah, we've sold to many European countries and also to the Middle East as well. So we even have the CB for the Saudi. We have all those kind of certifications, so there's not a problem. We even got an award for the RN. You can see this one. There's the IF. There's IF awards. It's very, very important for us. So you can see the RN series LED specialist. The screen. That's what we got a really great award for the IF. So it really means a lot for us. And let me mention this. Someone is saying, what's the difference between the RS and the RN? Okay, for RS, it's kind of mainly also for VR. Okay, though both can do VR, but the RN is more of lighting weight. You can see it's only 7.5. And the same screen can do the 90 degrees, and it can also do the curve, and it can also do the straight without changing anything. But for the RNS, you need to change something if you want to do the 90 degrees. Yeah, if you want to do the 90 degrees. But they are all perfect for VR or for XR or for anything you want to do. And one more thing is about the outdoor on the RNS Plus. RNS Plus have outdoor called RS. Yeah, so the RS we have outdoor 100 by 500 or maybe 500 by 500. So both sides you can get for the outdoor. And for outdoor we have P 3.9, we have P 2.9, we also have P 2.9, P 2.9, P 3.9, P 4.8, and we also have P 5.9, right?
Yeah.
5.9. So all those pixel pitch we have. If you have any other inquiry, let us know. Okay. Any question again?
Yeah. They say, how about the RCX module size? Module size. For the module size, we have two. Only for the P 2.6, the module size is 250 by 250. But for other pixel pinch is for the 250 by 500. It's the big modules, so it's very fast for you to install when you in exhibitions. And another friend say, what kind of fly case you use? For the fly case, we have the plastic fly case. We have the wooden fly case. So you can choose what you want. So when maybe you want a lighter fly case, maybe you can choose plastic. But for the wooden, maybe a little heavy, but it's very safe and have the anti-damage functions. Yes. So just choose what you want. Coffee?
Thank you, Elaine. We will move on to brightness. Someone is asking what is the brightness of what we are, the series. Okay, in terms of brightness, let me finish with indoor. Indoor, we have 600 nits. We also have 800 nits. We have 900 nits. We have 1,200 nits, and we also have 1,500 nits. So the average we use 1,000 nits. But if for XL, some customers demand from 1,500, 1,500 even to 2,000 nits for indoor. So most of the XL, maybe we can change the scan rate. So the scan rate, you need to double the PCB board and all those things. We have done a lot of tests on that. So no problem. We have a lot of XL, how to put it? We have a lot of XL shows. So no problem. And for outdoor brightness, how to say? Outdoor brightness, we have 5,000 nits. We have 4,500 nits. We also have 6,000 nits. Yeah, for the outdoor P3.9, P2.9, P4.8, and P5.9. So all we have really high brightness. You don't need to worry about brightness. And what is the weight? Okay, weight, I already mentioned a lot about weight. For RN, the weight is 7.5. Very light in weight. RN, the weight is 7.5. And for RNS Plus, the weight is 8. Yeah, it's 8 kg. It's only 8 kg. So you can see a little bit difference. Because due to the RN, the thickness is really slim. The thickness is only 66 millimeter. Yeah, but for the RNS Plus, the thickness is about 80 millimeter. You see the difference here. Yeah, so that's all about the thickness. Can you tell them about yours? What about the thickness and maybe the weight?
RN, right?
Yeah.
RN is for the
RCX.
RCX,
Yeah.
the thickness, right?
Yeah.
The thickness is for about 85.
85.
Yeah, 85. Yes. And RN is for the 66, very slim.
Very,
yeah,
very slim.
yeah.
Very, very slim. Any more questions? Let's see. 16 to 9. You have more questions from your side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some friends say he missed my introduction about for the RCX because they do the normal rental events. They want to know more about it. Okay, let me to use maybe 1 or 2 minutes to introduce it briefly. Yes. 再拿一下箱体就好，RCX
RCX, yeah.
后面就好了。Yes, this one is RCX. The first function is for the curve rod. Yeah, it can curve for minus 10 degrees and plus 10 degrees. You can adjust it for your event and lock it. It's okay. So it's fastened here. Another one is for the modular design. Modular designs. This one is independent. You can adjust it and take it very easy. Modular design. This is for the corner protector. To protect the lamp, as you know, when you carry this one in the events, maybe it's easy to broken. So use this can protect this lamp. You know this lamp, maybe 100% you will broken in the events, but have this, you can solve your problems. And for this one, it can for the front and back maintenance, modular design. So you can see the module, the cabinet is very simple to assemble. Just for the module and for the power box and the cabinet frame, and then it's okay. So that is modular design, very easy to operations. And this one, it can use for the street screen and curved screens, and also for the dance floors. Maybe you think it's strong, very strong. so it can bear one cars for the dance floors. So you no need to worry, oh, how many weight of the cars can for the dance floor. You don't worry. We already test. We have the test reports. If you want to know about the weight like this, you can contact our sales teams. They will give the certification or the reports for you. So please don't worry. For the dance floor, you just buy this one. It's okay. And then another need to put the acrylic mark on the surface to protect the lamp. You know, when the people stand here, lamp will easy to broken. So need the acrylic mark to protect it. And then it's okay. Can be dance floors. Very easy. So okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Aline, for the very detailed explanation. I think it's very, very clear. We will move on to some kind of questions. I know it's very, very important. Some customers say why the price sometimes is high. Okay, price is very important. But for lamp, we are not cheap, and we are not also so expensive. We just give the high quality product for you. So I know price is very important to everyone, and the quality is also important for everyone. So for quality first, then the price comes next. Yeah, and if there's any specification you want to talk with us, we can just sit down, have a video call, have any kind of conference, and we will talk about how we can discuss about price, about project for any kind of understanding. You don't need to just ask price, and maybe you think, oh, maybe it's expensive, you don't want to buy. No, it's not like that. You need to talk with us. Let us know your budget. Let us know what kind of project you are doing. Let us know what kind of specification you need. And we can also discuss about how to solve or close your deal. Yeah. So in terms of price, I think this kind of questions is very, very important. You have more questions here?
Uh, oh, just now forget to introduce the ways of RCX series. For the RCX series, just now I mentioned they have the two type of the cabinet. One is for the 500 by 500. This is small cabinets. Another is for the 500 by 1000 is big cabinets. You can choose when you buy it. For the 500 by 1000, the price is a little cheaper than the 500 by 500 because use the material maybe less than the 500 by 500. Yes, you know, by 500 by 500, the sending card, the power box, everything you use more. So will be a little cheaper. So you can choose, or when you do the event, you can mix up to buy some, or like by 20% 500 by 500 or 80% for the 500 by 1000, just for your choice. And then the friends say the weight. Yes, the weight. How about the weight? For the smaller 500 by 500, the weight is 8 kg for one cabinet. And for the big cabinets, it's for the 12 kg for one cabinet. So I think I can carry because I carry the cabinet to the overseas for the business. I think I can do it for men. You can do. So don't worry.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.
I think you are strong. You can carry it.
Yeah, I think yes.
All right, so we move on to the scan. Someone is asking, can you do 1x8 scan? Yeah, we can do. We can do this kind of scan, and we can do 1x10. We can do 1x12, 1x16, and we can also do 1x24. 1x24 is, I think, is the common one, but 1x8 we can do 1x10. Because scan is very important for XR and VR in case we are doing the video production. And because of these days, COVID and all those things, so many customers are moving into video production. So it's very, very important to know about the scan. So this kind of scan, we can do it. Okay, thank you.
Here is another friend say about the stock.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, stock. Maybe he missed my introduction just now. Just click our link. And then here have stock. Every series, we have the stocks. because as you know, we are the top 10 LED display companies in LED China's. Yes, we belongs to, Lamtech belongs to Unit Roaming Group. As you know, Unit Roaming Group is the top 3. And Lam last year and got a very good grades. It ranged top 8.
Yeah.
Yes, top 8 is very good grade. As you know, last year, you know, the COVID-19 break out all over the world. So it's very hard to do the business. Yeah, but Lam already got the top 8 in the export data. It's very good, very good. So please trust our students. And for the stock, here we have, you can see every series here, you can check. So why we have so many stocks? As you know, now the materials rates very fast and very high. So these stocks now, because big companies them have the strength to prepare the stocks. So if you buy stocks, that means help you to save the money, and the delivery time is very fast. 7 to 10 days can got the screens. So you know now the COVID-19 maybe now have the Wednesday, right? Wednesday. So when finish the Wednesday, enjoy the Wednesday, people enjoy Wednesday, and then everything is okay. The events will break out. Now in China also like this. So please don't miss the chance. If you buy first, you can catch the chance first, and you can earn money first. You will the winner in the market. So please focus on this and plan your purchase plans. Yes, to do, maybe it will help you to earn money first.
Yeah, I think Elaine mentioned a good point about stock. Stock is very important. We, the big companies, we can buy more materials and keep it, so that in case of any emergency, we can also help our customers. Now price keep rising. It keep rising. Many customers are saying why the price are rising. It's not our fault. It's just the market. It's the economy. That's how the prices keep rising. So please try to bear with us about the pricing system. Now we move on to, I'll mention one thing about we, the Middle East countries. You know, Middle East, they place order today, they want it tomorrow.
Yeah.
You know, so for stock is very important. You need to keep stock. And just let's talk, let's communicate and find a way to also support any of the big customers to keep more stock for yourself, and to also help both companies with LAMP and also the partner. All right, we'll move on to the next question. You have more question there, right? What is the okay, somebody asks, what is the maximum curve? What is the maximum curve degree? Okay, I'll mention to the maybe the RNS Plus. RNS Plus, we can do up to 5. We can do up to 5. If you want, some customers want really big curve. So big curve, we can update. We can update it to 15 degrees. 15 to 10 and to 5. We can also upgrade to this level. But now the standard is up to 5 degrees. So 5 degrees, we have 2.5, and we also have the to 0, and we have the minus, and we have the negative. So if in terms of the maybe the curve, I think I've made myself very clear. If you have more questions, please ask us. You have another question here.
Oh,
right?
this brand asked your introduction. They say RN series, they don't know, because just now you introduce, it can maybe like the curve like this, but he want to like the cube.
Oh,
like the cube. Like cube. So he want to you to introduce how to can do or not like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I wish you can bring the hello. Yeah, let me call our best engineer to bring the RN series for you to see. We can do the cube. We can do one cube in terms of maybe all size.
Yes.
All size cube. We can do it. They will bring the screen so that you can see how it looks like.
You can show it again.
Yeah,
because it will be I think it will be the wholesaler in the futures for this product.
For sure. You see how it is. So for this, there's the RN. You see all the corner protection and everything. It can do a cube. So the cube is just all the size. Not even you don't even need to mix one side. It can do a whole cube. Yeah. If you check our website, you can see a lot of introduction over there. You see how it is? So this is how it looks like. Yeah, there's the RN. Yeah, there's the series. It can do a beautiful cube. So no worries about it. See? Yeah. And the thickness. You see the thickness is only 66 millimeters. It's only 66. Very, very tiny. Most of the LEDs they are like 90, 80, 85, but this one is 66. So that's how it looks like. Very, very beautiful screen. So anything maybe I miss here, I can explain it for you again. So there's the RN series. You can see the power in, power test. There's the test button. And what again? You can show them also the lock, the model lock. Let them see the model lock again. And also the safety machine. Yeah. And you show them the T-shape. You see the T-shape? Yeah. You just click it and it just pop up. Yeah, really beautiful design. So this series is really popular right now. It's very, very famous. A lot of customers are just rushing it. They want to know more about it. They want to see more about it. So if you want to do a cube, if you want to do a straight, if you want to do 90 degrees, there's the best. RN is the best series for you. It's the best series for you. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's move on to the next question. Today we have more questions coming in. So let's see. Is it full front maintenance? Also, one customer is asking whether can we achieve full front maintenance? Yeah, all our rental cabinet, they are all full front maintenance. So don't worry about that. They are all full front maintenance. You can just use the machine to remove them. You can use your hand to push from the back, and they are all full front maintenance. And also the power box, you can remove the power box very easy. So they are all full front maintenance. Thank you so much. Elaine.
Oh no, already. Yeah, no the questions. So now I want to talk about the coupon because some friends have some doubts. They say click in now they see our broadcast but cannot got the coupon tickets. So please click here. You need to refresh coupon. If you cannot got the coupon, you click here first. If you cannot got it, you can print here and refresh here and then click again. So we'll have the coupon. Our coupon tickets is enough, so please don't worry. But maybe if you slowed, maybe will be already run out. So please refresh this and see it. If you got it, you can reduce in your orders. Okay, today I think it's finished. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for everyone for tuning in or being with us for all this while. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
See you.
See you in the afternoon.